Now this is my wife usually drives this car. Anyway, it's a 2003, 2004 P71. I just got the engine back in it after doing heads and timing chain reseal, all that nonsense. I mean, the machine shop left one of the galley plugs loose on the back of this head, so it got oil everywhere. But anyway, I resolved that problem. So she had tires put on this car by an outfit down in our local area, and this car doesn't have tire pressure monitoring, so they knew that, or else they would have had to, program it after they replaced the tires. So they should have just taken these off, but instead I've got to deal with a real bad shimmy with this car, and it almost seems like the front wheels are square because it wants to shake you out of the seat. Now, if you notice that, they left this loose. So anyway, I peeled the tire off and I bought some Mustang wheels that I'll put on here. So no matter how well you balance a tire, if that thing's loose, you're going to have a shimmy and an out of balance issue. So this car doesn't even require that, so those should have been gone. This is one of the Mustang wheels that I bought, and it has tire pressure monitoring on it. Okay, it has those sensors, but they're nice and tight. You can't move them. So I don't have a balancer that I feel comfortable using. All I have is an old bubble balancer. So I'm going to leave the weights where they were from the original tires that I took off here, and stick her tires on these wheels and line the dot up like you're supposed to, and it should be fine. This is one I already mounted. Well, that'll be going on the car left front. This one I'm going to put on the right front. So I knew there was something. So this one came from the right front. I knew there was an issue with the right front. I can feel it when I'm driving the car. So today it's going to get new struts, new wheels, and I'll be talking to the manager at that tire shop about this bullshit. That's bullshit.